Hello again, it's Robert here with some more of the old kits which I've built over the years. This time the Howland Canada Chipmunk in the Canadian livery, which I thought was best suitable for something built in Canada. And I've used this as an alternative to the decals which were in the kit itself, which were the red, white and grey RAF and the Battle Britain Memorial Flight black example, which they used to do tailwheel training on their pilots conversion course. The main thing I've had to do with this, because it's very old tooling, is sand down the rivets, which show quite proud on the top of the wing, well, all over it. Yeah, they were far too out of scale. They'd be about an inch or two in real life if they were scaled up, so that to be removed. There's probably one or two other features on there which an owner or expert on the Canadian built examples of the Chipmunk would know, but it's not bad for a bit of fun. Make it yellow instead of red, white and grey for a change. I think the undercarriage is slightly different in real life, and there's probably more red flashes on the yellow scheme, but yeah, that's made not a bad kit, and there we are. Keep an eye out for one in the travels. There's not many about these days, but this is the old Airfix example, so I give it a go.